Woo! We're at the final part of how I shift my identity from being unhealthy to healthy. It did take a lot of thought and effort though, but it all came down to making the right choice. Every time I made the right choice about going to work out or choosing the more healthier food, the effort compounded over time, and here I am today. There were definitely a lot of humps along the way, and that's perfectly normal. If you stuff up, don't beat yourself up over it. Keep moving forward by doing this low intensity interval training workout. 45 seconds of movement, 15 seconds of rest for 5 rounds. So, are you ready to make some moves in minutes? The workout begins in 15 seconds. So we're gonna get into a half squat. Bring your feet about shoulder width apart or whatever feels comfortable. Sit halfway down and we're gonna pulsate our butt like this. In 3, 2, 1, now pulsate. Yes, this whole workout will be about pulsating your legs. So hopefully it doesn't hurt too much. If you need to take a break, stand up for 1 or 2 seconds and come back down. Remember to keep that posture and look forward. And breathe. I always forget to breathe when I do this sort of stuff. We're halfway there. You can pulsate as big or as little as you want, as long as you're moving. 10 more seconds. I'm counting down the time. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. Now we're gonna bring our right foot forward into a slight lunge, about shoulder width apart. Bend it down about there, and we're gonna pulsate like this as well, keeping your hand wherever you feel comfortable, like this or like this. And 1, go. Pulsate. You can go back and forth if you want. You can just go up and down. It's all up to you. This is a bit more of a flexible workout. The way you distribute your weight is up to you as well. I'm going back and forth right now. Remember to keep that posture because we're halfway there. Chest up, looking forward. Oh, 10 more seconds. Oh, my back leg is burning up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now we're gonna switch legs. So left foot forward, shoulder width apart, right leg on the back. And we're gonna slightly bend our legs, sitting down, back straight, slightly forward if you'd like. 3, 2, 1, and go. Pulsate. Like I said, back and forth if you like, or up and down. It's all up to you. But you also need to move, don't stay still. Remember to breathe because we're halfway there. Oh, I'm feeling that burn now. 10 more seconds. If you need to take a quick break, you can just stretch your legs and go back again. 3, 2, 1. Okay, now we're gonna bring our legs back to about shoulder width apart. Turn our legs out about 45 degrees and slightly bend like this, keeping that back nice and straight, hands wherever you want. And 2, 1, now pulsate again. Remember to engage that core by sucking in your belly. But remember to breathe. We're halfway there. Oh, this is quite tough. Fun fact, I haven't done these sort of exercises before, so this is also new to me as well. 10 more seconds. Oh, I'm counting down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. Now we're going to do the final one where we put our feet together, sit back as far as you feel comfortable, and jiggle Like you can also like bring your button back and forth like that as well if you want. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now jiggle. But you have your feet, your hand anywhere you want. I'm putting it just on my thighs. Remember to breathe and hold that posture, chest slightly up, looking forward. You can see where my eyes are going. I'm waiting for the time to finish. Because, guess what? We're halfway there in the final round. Oh, man, I can feel it in my quads. And 10 more seconds, almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ah! Yeah, we got there. Oh, Lordy. I have to thank a friend from the past who showed me that sort of workout. I could feel it ringing in my ears. That's how much pain I was in. Whoops. Hopefully that wasn't too difficult. But if it was, hey, guess what? Change hurts, but it's also good for you as well. Unless you cause an injury. Please don't let that happen to you. All right. If you want to continue working out, check out my other workout videos to continue on your workout routine. Or you tick something off the to-do list today and you may take a break. That's okay too. Leave in the comments below how you felt during that workout, because I can tell you now, oh, that hurt. Oh my Lord. And that's okay, because that's how we get stronger. All right, hit the subscribe button because there are going to be more workout videos, and I'll see you all next time.